Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to change your Instagram display picture on your mobile app. Whether you want to refresh your profile with a new selfie, update your brand image, or just give your account a fresh look, updating your profile photo is quick and easy. Let's get started. The very first step is to open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This action will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and settings. At the top of this page, right near your username and bio, you'll find the option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can make different changes to your account, like updating your name, bio, or, in this case, your profile photo. Next, tap on Change Profile Photo. Instagram will give you a few choices here. You can either select an existing picture from your phone's gallery, or you can open the camera directly to take a brand new one on the spot. Simply choose the option that works best for you. Once you've selected or captured your picture, Instagram will allow you to adjust how it looks. You can zoom in, reposition it, and get it looking exactly the way you want. Take a moment here to line it up perfectly so it represents you or your style the best. After you're happy with the final look, go ahead and tap Done or Save, depending on your device. That's it. Your Instagram profile photo is now updated, and the new display picture will show up whenever people visit your profile or see your posts and comments. Changing your display photo is a small step, but it makes a big difference in how you present yourself online. Keeping your picture up to date helps your profile feel more personal, engaging, and recognizable. Now that you know the steps, go ahead and switch out that profile photo whenever you're ready for a fresh look. Thanks for watching.